based on quality and value for the money. This product is one of the best rated product in the market right now. First, let's see the specs of the product.
Sewing machine features a heavy-duty metal frame. The inner frame of the sewing machine is constructed of heavy-duty metal. It provides rigid support, holding all the mechanisms in perfect alignment for skip-free sewing and overall durability. It's built for years of extended use. In addition, the machine's stainless steel bed plate provides for smooth fabric feeding. It also helps prevent scratches on the machine surface while sewing.
Why we love this product. And these are rating for this product.